Goodbye, Audio-Technica. Hello, Sony. This is the Sony, what is this? WH-1000 XM6. Good lord, that name is so freaking long. But man, I've been wanting these since they freaking dropped, and we finally got them. This is opened, and I'll let you know my thoughts. I like these open. Man, these are sick. I haven't opened them yet, and they're already fire. So, I'm going on a trip to Oklahoma sometime next week, and so I wanted to get these before the trip, and thankfully I was able to do that. So I'm so happy I can do this before the trip. So this is open. So over here, you got the little arrow, which is a nice. I was like, how on earth do I open this? And they give you a nice little arrow. So I guess you just peel up from here. Some tough adhesive. Good though. Yes, sir. All right, so take that little layer off. 1000X series. Oof. Best noise canceling headphones on the market right now. Oh, yes, sir. Okay. So this should lift off. Yep. There's the case itself. So that's just the case itself. Oh crap. Paperwork. Yeah, this is like paperwork, so we'll just save that over there, of course. Now here is the real thing. So the case is kind of like a cream brownish color. Here, I'll show you brown compared to it real quick. Not quite brown, but it's like a lighter, like you can see it's definitely it's kind of like a brownish, but lighter, but it's not quite white as you see on here. This is kind of it, but that's like whiter. And like the Xbox controller is white, so kind of like a color comparison. Let's open this. People were saying that this was the best case, like possibly ever, like the perfect case. So we're gonna see if that's accurate or not. Oh my gosh, holy, I love that. Listen to this real quick. I'm gonna put them on my mic. Dude, that's like magnetic. Oh my gosh, that's so smooth. Oh my gosh, holy crap. Yo, okay, that color is low key insane. That color, it's like, okay, hold on, I think I have a better comparison real quick. Hold on a second. The color comparison, ooh, the iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium color. That's fire. That color comparison, dude, is on point, especially in that lighting. Look at that, dude. Okay, this combo would be deadly, but as y'all know, I switched to the Pixel, so I got that blue color. I almost went black headphones. I almost went like the dark blue ones just because of my phone. But low key, this color is so much better. I can't even lie. Like, it's so much better. So, a color comparison. Dude, that's so sick. That is such a. If y'all have these headphones, if y'all have this phone, and you're getting headphones, dude, just get these. These are better than the Pro Maxes. They're cheaper by like $150, I think, and they're Sony, dude. I mean, you don't get the AirPods comparison, but like, bro, this is so much better. All right, so you got the little net right here with the cable in it, which is two different ones. You have a USB-C to USB Type A, and then you have a aux cable. That's actually fire, yo. They actually, dude, Sony's the GOAT for including this. I'm just gonna say. So we just stuff that back in there, and then the headphones themselves. These fold up. I almost got the 5s, but they don't fold up, which I need it to fold up. So, dude, they feel so good. So they go like this, and they fold down. So if you have it on your neck, they'd fold down instead of upwards like my Audio-Technicas. which my Audio Technicas are wired, so they're not even in comparison. These are wireless, because Audio Technicas are for mixing music. These would be for road trips, and dude, oh my gosh, the ear cups are so soft. Holy crap. Yeah, that is fire. A bunch of mics. Power on, the aux, USB-C, more mics. Dude, the quality of this is insane. I can't lie. Alright, I'm gonna get these paired up, play with them a little bit, and I'll let you know my thoughts. And obviously, after like maybe a month or 3 months, we'll do a review. So yeah. Yo, it's actually crazy. I've been playing with them for a little bit now. Man, these things are fire. I just kept finding features while I was opening the app. So obviously you have the Sony app on my phone right now. So that little paper piece that it comes with on that top is a QR code that you can actually download the app with faster, which is fire. 20 different levels of noise canceling. I was like, okay, this noise canceling is pretty good. Turned it to 20. I was like, okay, dang, it's pretty fire. Noise canceling is like insane. Like honestly, I'm gonna say better than my AirPod Pro 2s. Like I know the Pro 3s are out now. I don't have them because I'm a Google phone now. I mean, I still use my AirPods for my iPad and my Mac. But everything else is either my Google earbuds or not these because we're being replaced. But like, dude, and you got standard. You have background music, cinema, and the equalizer's fire. And oh my gosh, dude, this crap is so accurate. I was legit walking around earlier. It's adaptive sound control. It says staying with a sit icon. You can't see that on my screenshot though. But earlier when I was showing my mom and my brothers, it said I was walking. I was like, what the jank? How does it know, bro? And you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously down here. So I'm gonna do that at my PC next because I'm gonna take my PC with me, my laptop with me. Dude, so fire. Also, I took a screenshot of it when I unboxed and turned it on and paired it. It was at 6.7. They know. So yeah, this is absolutely fire. There's a scene and discover button, which I don't know what these do yet. So I'm still gonna dig with the apps and stuff, and then test battery life and crap after like 3 months or so, dude. But so far, ooh, I'm so glad I got white, because it just pops. It makes the ginger hair look pretty nice too, low key. But dude, yeah, this cup is fire. Also, the button's in the perfect spot right here. And when you're playing music, you can just put your hand, like your palm, on the headphone, and you go, "What's up?" Like if you're at the gym, you're gonna do this anyways. Like right hand, almost all the time, right hand, headphone. You pull that crap off and like, "Yo, what's up?" When someone's talking to you, "Yo, what's up?" Like, bro, it's so fire. Like you're just blasting music in a workout, and someone's coming up to you, you just go, "Yo, what's up?" Because it's like the same instinct. Like people know you're listening whenever you do this, or grab your ear, like your headphone, and you're like, "What's up?" Like you can just do this. Like just make sure your palm is on that headphone, and go. You don't have to pull it off. You just do like, "Yo, what's up?" or "Yo, what's up?" Like that's so fire, bro. It's so gas. Also, you have volume controls right here. Okay. And double tapping pauses it or plays it. So I'm assuming triple tap would probably skip it, or maybe quadruple tap reverse it. I have no idea. I haven't messed with that for very long. I just figured out that there was hand controls right here. I remember somebody saying that there was hand controls on one of the ears, but it's only this one, which is perfectly fine. I'm a right-handed man, so it's natural. That's why I just went like this when someone was talking to me, and I was like, wait a second, what just happened? So that's fire. I have noise cancel. I have transparency, ambient on here right now. I keep calling it transparency. I'm so used to Apple, but dude, this is sick. It sounds good. There's a lot of modes, like different EQs, a game, hard, heavy, clear, soft, manual, custom. Like, dude, it is so fire. Obviously off. The background music thing sounds trippy. If you do background music and turn it like 20% volume, 25% volume, it legit sounds like it's like behind you. Like I was in the kitchen, turned background music on, turned it down, and I was like, yo, it sounds like my music is coming from my room, low-key. It was trippy. And then turning on a song and doing cinema, it kind of sounded like a concert, low-key. Just not as loud, like piercing as loud. Like it was like like good volume, like concert. I'm gonna test that on Bleach. I'm gonna do Bleach, upload, like turn on Bleach and do the cinema and see how that crap sounds. That crap's gonna sound crazy. I'm also gonna pair this to my computer in a second after the video and test some gaming with it because there's a game EQ and so. But yeah, so far, absolutely love these. I'm so glad I got these, not AirPod Maxes back in the day or legit anything else. These are like the perfect ones. Dude, I'm so ready for the road trip with these guys. It's gonna be so fire. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll answer them in the comments, or I'll do like a video once my review comes out. I'll be answering questions in that video, or anything I missed, or if you got some, or if you got different ones, let me know. And yeah, peace.